Seeing an E4 error suddenly appear on your HP Smart Tank 580 can quickly interrupt printing and leave documents stuck in the queue. Many users notice this issue while printing important pages, setting up the printer, or after paper movement stops unexpectedly. Sometimes the printer powers on normally but refuses to continue printing, while other times the display keeps showing the E4 message without clearing. In many situations, the E4 error on an HP Smart Tank 580 is commonly connected to paper movement interruptions, internal paper feed problems, or temporary printer system issues. Instead of pressing buttons repeatedly or restarting the printer over and over, these are the steps you can try to fix this and clear the HP Smart Tank 580 printer E4 error properly. 1. Turn off the HP Smart Tank 580 and disconnect power for a short period before checking inside. 2. Open the printer access areas carefully and inspect for stuck paper or small torn pieces. 3. Remove any visible obstruction gently and make sure paper loads correctly in the tray. 4. Reconnect power and restart the HP Smart Tank 580 to refresh the printer system. 5. Print a test page and confirm the E4 message disappears during normal operation.